today we're gonna learn alphabets and shapes. This is the nursery kit, which includes alphabets, numbers, and shapes. It is wooden and it's 3-in-1. And it's for the kids age of 3+. So these are the wooden boards. Let's have a look inside. Alright. Here we go. Let's take these pieces out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for apple. Let's see where that is. Is this A? No, that's not it. Let's find A. We found it. A for apple. B for ball. B. Is this B? No, that's not B. Here it is. Yeah, that's B. Perfect. B for ball. Let's put it here. Now C for cat. Let's find C for cat. Yay. D for dog. Let's figure out D right here. D for dog. Yay! E for elephant. Is this E? No, that's not E. Here. Let's put it here. That's E for elephant. F for fish. Is this F? No, I don't think so. Well, you're right. This is F. F for fish. This goes right here. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F. G for grapes. Well, I love the fruit grape. And here is G. G for grapes. Perfect. Let's put it here. H for hen. And is this H? No. Yeah, that's H. H for hen. Perfect. I for ice cream. Is this I? Definitely not. Let's look for the right shape here. This matches I. So we have I here. I for ice cream. J for joker. We got it. J for joker. K for kite. This is right here. K for kite. L for lion. Whoa! scared of lion though. This is not L, not the right shape. Let's look for L. Here it is, L for lion. Yay! G, H, I, J, K, L. M for mango. Is this M? No. Yeah, this is M. M for mango. N for nest. Nest is home for birds. This is N. N for nest. O for orange. Here it is, O for orange. So this goes here. P for parrot. It's a beautiful bird. This is not P. Yeah, this is P for parrot. You're right. Q for queen. There it is. Q for queen. M, N, O, P, Q. R for rabbit. This is R. R for rabbit. S for ship. We're looking for S. This doesn't look like S. What looks like an S? This one. Yeah, we've got S. S for ship. T for tiger. Here it is. Yay, T for tiger. You got it right. Now U for umbrella. Is this you? No. That's you. That's right. U for umbrella. V for van. V. Right. V for van. R, S, T, U, V. W for wool. That's W for wool. X for Xmas. Here's X. Let's put it here. X for Xmas. Alright. Y for yacht. Where's Y? Here it is. Y for yacht. Let's put it here. Z for zebra. Here's Z. Z for zebra. Alright. Star. That's a star. Let's fit in here. W, X, Y, Z. Square. Let's find a square. Is this a square? No. That one there. This is a square. A square has all the four sides equal to each other. This is a circle. Yes, this is the circle. Perfect. Let's put it here. Triangle. A triangle has three sides. So this is not a triangle. This one is, yay! 3 sides. Perfect. Triangle. Pentagon. Now this has 5 sides, so this is a pentagon. Rectangle. The opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So, here we go. Oval. That's oval now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, star, square, circle, triangle, pentagon, rectangle, oval. Yay, that's it!